Religion has been a fundamental part of human history, shaping cultures, societies, and individual lives for thousands of years. At its core, religion is a system of beliefs and practices centered around questions of existence, morality, and the divine. Historically, it has played a crucial role in uniting communities, providing a sense of belonging and purpose. For many, it has been a source of comfort during difficult times, offering hope and a framework for understanding the world. One of the positive impacts of religion is its ability to foster community. Places of worship often serve as gathering spots where people come together to support one another. Additionally, many religions promote moral values, encouraging followers to act with kindness, compassion, and integrity. This moral framework can guide individuals in making ethical decisions and contribute to a more harmonious society. However, religion is not without its criticisms. Throughout history, we've seen conflicts fueled by religious differences, leading to wars and violence. Moreover, some individuals and groups have misused religion to justify actions that promote division and hatred. This misuse raises the question: should religion be abolished altogether? Arguments for abolition often center around the idea that religion can perpetuate conflict and division. Critics argue that a world without religion might lead to greater unity and understanding among people. On the other hand, many argue against abolition, emphasizing the positive aspects of religion, such as community support and moral guidance. They believe that rather than abolishing religion, we should focus on reforming it to eliminate the negative aspects while preserving the benefits. It's also important to distinguish between faith, spirituality, and organized religion. Faith is often a personal belief in something greater. Spirituality can encompass a broader sense of connection to the universe, while organized religion typically involves structured practices and communal worship. Each of these can exist independently or overlap, depending on the individual. In recent years, we've seen modern trends in religion worldwide. Some people are moving away from traditional organized religions, seeking more personal or spiritual paths. Others are embracing interfaith dialogues, promoting understanding and cooperation among different belief systems. This shift reflects a growing desire for inclusivity and a more personal connection to spirituality. Myths about religion abound. One common myth is that all religious people are extremists, which simply isn't true. Most followers practice their beliefs peacefully and contribute positively to society. Understanding these myths versus facts is crucial for a balanced perspective on religion's role in our lives. Looking to the future, religion will likely continue to evolve. As societies become more interconnected, we may see a blending of beliefs and practices, fostering greater understanding. Alternatively, we might witness a rise in secularism, as more people seek meaning outside traditional religious frameworks. In conclusion, the question of whether religion should be abolished is complex. While it has its drawbacks, it also offers significant benefits that many find invaluable. Rather than seeking to eliminate religion, perhaps the focus should be on fostering dialogue, understanding, and reform to enhance its positive aspects while addressing its challenges.